fried apple pies, but we're doing them the quick way. I'm gonna go ahead and get some grease heating up. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put just a little bit of flour just right on the counter. And we are using canned biscuits for this. I've seen a lot of recipes by Brenda Gant and Tammy with Collar Valley Cooks making homemade pies, but they do it a little bit harder. So my aunt, my sweet Aunt Bonnie, she used to make these for us when we were kids all the time. Loved it. And you know, I've never made them, but they were so easy. Well, I did something silly. I made a whole batch and didn't have the camera running, but they turned out good. So let's make a second batch. Just gonna roll them out. Okay. It doesn't take a lot, just a little bit, just a spoonful. And then I'm going to wet the edges. This just helps them stick together a little bit. Push these down. Isn't that cute? Not yet. Let's lay it there. We'll make up another one. Easy peasy. Let's see if it's hot enough. I'm going to watch these a little bit better. Oh, it's already ready to turn over. Doesn't take them long at all. Now this one's popped open, but go ahead and take it out. It's my first time making these. Can't believe I've never made these. Oh, I'm leaving them in too long. Left that one in too long, I think. He got a little too dark. He probably already needs turning. Yep. Ooh, he looks good. Okay, he's done. Well, they don't take any time at all to fry up. Look here. Well, first bite was all bread. No apples. Let's take another bite. Yummy, yummy. And they're so easy. Canned biscuits, canned apple filling. They fry up in no time. A little messy, but it was fun. It was fun to make. These are great. I'm going to finish the plate. Well, I'm not going to finish the plate. I'm going to share with my husband. A little tip I did notice is that my grease was so hot that they cooked too fast, and I did have a couple of doughy spots. So they were still good overall. But if I was doing it again, I would try to keep my oil from not getting so hot and cooking them a little bit slower. That's just a little helpful hint. If you guys enjoyed watching, I hope you'll like and subscribe.